This is Motorola Moto G15, and today I will quickly show how you can transfer files on this device. So to start, you will need to launch whatever file explorer app you prefer using. The default application on this device is Google Files, so let me show you, let me use it as an example here. Now open the path of the files that you would like to transfer, or the path you would like to transfer your files from. Mine should be in the internal storage, then DCIM, camera. Or actually, I would rather go with my screenshots. So let's try finding them here. If they were saved to begin with, maybe they are in the media. No, not as far as I can see. Well, let's look further. Where can they be? Pictures. Yep, here they are. Now select all the files that you would like to transfer. I'll just select every last of them. Now press those three buttons you'll find at the top right corner of the screen and select either Move To or Copy To option. The difference is that if you'll go for the Move To, or if you'll choose Move To, the files will be erased from the original path, while Copy To will simply copy those files to the destination folder. So I'll go with Move To option, but what you do is up to you. Now select whether you would like to move those files to the to another folder on the internal storage as it is in my case, or an SD card. I'll go with an SD card, but it will be pretty much the same either way if you will move the files to or from a memory card. Doesn't matter. Here select the destination folder. For example, I'll go with alarms, and then press Move Here button. Wait a few seconds, maybe a few minutes even, if your files the file size of your file is heavy. And now let's quickly check if the files were correctly transferred. So first we'll see if they were erased from the pictures folder in the internal storage, and well, indeed they were, as you can see. Now let's open an SD card and go into the Android folder, or actually alarms probably. Yep. And here are the screenshots. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.